Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take screenshots and record the screen, all available options for that on your REALME GT 2 Pro, but it also works the same way on the REALME GT 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to actually press the basic way, press the lock key, power key right here, and the volume down key right here. Just press them together, and that way you make a screenshot. You can press on it, then you can like crop it however you want, just to highlight what you want to show someone. And of course you can do many other editing options like in normal photo editor. So that's basic screenshot. Now in order to record our screen, we'll need to scroll down our toolbar like this, and from here locate screen recorder. It should be located somewhere on your phone. It might be somewhere else. It's just if you adjusted these icons, they can, get lost. So let's go for the screen recording right here. Continue, agree and continue. And then while using this app, allow, there'll be a lot of asks for questions for accessibility and stuff like that. So okay, now we have this little hat right here. There's a shutter, there's a cog icon and a close icon right here. If we press on this cog icon, we'll be able to enable or disable record system sounds and record microphone sounds. Now in order to start recording, we'll need to press on the shutter button, and the timer will start running, and that means that the video is recording. Now we can do two things. We can stop. We can that's not stop, that's pause. We can pause or play this video again, or press on the shutter again to stop it. You can also here enable or disable the microphone anytime while recording. So let's press on the shutter again, and the video has stopped and it's saved in our gallery. So that's how you record the screen. Now let me show you the other two ways you can make screenshots. So first we'll need to open our settings and scroll all the way down. Now find system settings and go for the gestures and motions. Here you will find two settings, which are swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, or touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So let's enable the first one and let me show you how it's done. So you'll need to swipe down your 3 fingers to take a screenshot like that. And as you can see, the screenshot was taken, and we can just do the same thing, crop it, whatever you want. The second option is to touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and it should reveal us more options. So let's just do that. And as you can see, we can it's kind of different than normal screenshot, because we can change how it's gonna capture it with rectangle. So it's basically square screenshot. You can adjust it. You can do it with circle like that, and let me try that again. And the last option is freeform, and then you basically draw what you want to see, but keep in mind that you need to close it like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.